Hey everybody, it's Patrice with Trinity Boutique. Just wanted to kind of come on do a quick tutorial and show everybody how to achieve this look on the graduation scroll for the graduation fans. A lot of people have been doing. A lot of people have had questions, so I'm just going to do a quick video and show you how to exactly how to get this look. You're going to start out with your scroll, and I need to find mine so I can show you exactly how to pull the image away. So I'm just going to copy and paste it back into my other panel. Paste. So now you want to go to your trace panel. We need to do a trace on this image. So you'll go to select trace area, highlight the whole entire picture, and then we're going to trace, and then you'll pull that image away and then move this one back, and we're just going to do another trace, except we're going to trace the outer edge of this one. Trace the outer edge, move that away, and I'm going to take this away because I'm done with that. So move this previous image back into your space, and now we're going to insert our picture. So you basically just go to your images and you're going to find the picture you want to use, and you're just going to drag it over. I don't know what happened. Come on, picture. Drag it over to your space and then exit. Now we're going to put a no outline on this picture. So you apply your no outline. We're going to go back to this image, bring it to the front. Now we're going to apply our fill color. And I want my color to be similar to, or a little bit darker than the color in the picture. So I actually Googled a blue color that I have saved in my colors file, and I'm just going to drag it to fill my scroll. And now I'll apply no outline on that, and then bring this over and line it up with my picture. And there we go. So now that we have that done, I want to enter my text. Change my color. Do the darker blue. No outline. Well, actually, let's do a white outline on this one. Change my text to impact, and then change the thickness of my outline. How does that work? Let's go a little bit thicker. I think I want to do 1.5. There we go. Now I want to ungroup and resize this and place it on my scroll. Oh, let me change that. Let me change that the way I typed it. I need to center this. So go here. Make sure I have the right color. I want a white outline. And let's do 1.5 thickness and change my font to impact. Ungroup it. Regroup. And resize it. And now I can bring it over here. You may have to kind of adjust it a little bit, turn it sideways so that it kind of flows with your picture. And I want to go out a little bit. And now I'm going to put the name. And I'm basically going to do the same thing. Change my colors. And change the thickness of my outline. And now change my font. Ungroup. And move it into my space. May have to go down a little bit more and fit it right in there. And now I want to put the name of the school, and I'm done with that part. And let's do this black instead. So that that white doesn't interfere with my letters from that book. Regroup. Uh-oh. Kind of turn it a little bit. Place it on your picture. And let's go down a little bit more. There you go. So now, in order to put your registration marks on here so that you can prepare to print and cut, you're just going to click M on your keyboard. We're going to group all of this together before we move it. And now you're just going to kind of adjust it to your space. So I'm going to turn mine a little bit. Sometimes if you turn it, it gives you more room. You can actually fit more of your design in your space. Okay. And now this doesn't actually, when you send it, since there's so many colors in here, you don't want to cut it out like this. So I'm going to show you what to do. You're basically going to retrace this whole image. But you're only going to trace the outer edge. So that way it gives, let me go back. I need to fill it a little bit more. So fill your image as much as you can without overflowing into your background. And once your lines kind of connect, and you're going to trace the outer edge. And then once you go here, you go to line, not no color, you're going to do the red because it gives it a red outline. And there you go. And that didn't really trace good, so let me go back. Let's go back to my design, and I'm going to go back and retrace so that my edge is smooth. Okay, trace outer edge, go here, select line so that it actually will go around your image. And then we're going to select red. That's smoother than it was. So then here I always cut on plain cardstock, and I just increase my settings right here. So I use blade 3. I normally go up to speed on my print and cut to at least a 7, and I normally do a 30 on my force. And then once you've got that done, you just send it after you've loaded it onto your mat, and it will cut it out for you. So that basically shows you how to get this look. So if this video helps you any, be sure that you like and subscribe to my channel. As I said in my previous tutorials, I will try to post tutorial at least 1 or 2 times a week. So be sure to subscribe, like my video, and I'll see you guys next time.